Hey everybody, this is Tony Connolly Colin. These are my dogs. This is Scooby. And he's a good girl. He's a good boy. And he's mushy. But those are my dogs. And every I like my dog so much. And everybody, I have 3 reasons about my dogs. They're nice. They are so friendly. So Scooby just running around. He likes to do that. And are you ready for the grand finale? I give my next Christmas present. It's going to be forgiving me. But relax that right, Mushy. And Scooby. I like Scooby so much. And you was good compliment. Scooby-Doo, where are you, right? Scooby-Doo, where are you? Every drink is ever. Okay, are you ready for the grand finale? My dogs are nice and so friendly, and best of all, they are my friends. What, Mushy? I'm your friend. So I like my dogs and I like my family. So bye, YouTubers. Bye. Mushy, say bye. Scooby, say bye. Bye.